If you're someone who loves working with your hands, building, and bringing creative visions to life in your garden, a trellis offers the perfect opportunity for a rewarding project that combines both form and function. Trellises are more than just plant supports. They are statement pieces that can transform any outdoor space into a lush, living sanctuary. Whether you're nurturing climbing roses, training sweet peas, or simply adding a touch of architectural interest, the right trellis can make all the difference. Let's explore some exciting trellis ideas that will inspire your next garden project and spark your imagination. Imagine stepping into your backyard and being greeted by a beautifully crafted archway, covered in cascading blooms. Building an arched trellis is a fantastic way to create an inviting entrance to your garden or to frame a special view. Using flexible materials such as willow branches or PVC piping, you can bend your trellis into a graceful curve, securing the ends into the ground or sturdy planters. Once your structure is in place, plant fast-growing climbers like morning glories or clematis at the base and watch as they transform your archway into a living tunnel of color and fragrance. If you prefer a more geometric look, consider constructing a grid-style trellis. This classic design uses wooden slats or metal rods arranged in a crisscross pattern, forming a sturdy lattice that's perfect for supporting everything from beans and peas to climbing roses. The grid trellis can be mounted against a wall, set freestanding in a garden bed, or even used to create a privacy screen along your patio. Stain or paint the wood in a color that complements your home's exterior, or leave it natural for a rustic touch. For those with limited space, vertical gardening is the way to go. Try building a simple ladder trellis using reclaimed wood or bamboo. Prop it against a fence or wall, and let your vining plants climb skyward, making the most of every inch of your garden. You can even attach small planters or baskets to the rungs, growing herbs or succulents alongside your climbers for added interest and utility. Another inventive idea is the fan trellis. As the name suggests, this design fans out from a central stake or base, with ribs radiating outward like the spokes of a wheel. Fan trellises are particularly striking when placed behind a single specimen plant, allowing its branches or vines to spread gracefully and evenly. This approach not only provides excellent support, but also showcases the natural beauty and symmetry of your plants. If you love the look of wrought iron but prefer a hands-on approach, try crafting a metal trellis using rebar or copper tubing. With a little creativity and some basic tools, you can bend and weld these materials into intricate shapes. Think spirals, hearts, or even abstract designs. Over time, the metal will develop a beautiful patina, lending character and charm to your garden. Pair your metal trellis with bold, colorful climbers like passion flower or trumpet vine for an eye-catching display. For a touch of whimsy, consider designing a living sculpture trellis. Use thick wire or sturdy mesh to create the frame of your favorite animal, symbol, or geometric figure. Anchor the frame securely in the ground, then train vining plants along its contours. As the plants grow and fill in, your sculpture will come to life, delighting visitors and adding a playful focal point to your garden. No matter which style you choose, integrating recycled or upcycled materials can make your trellis project both eco-friendly and unique. Old doors, bicycle wheels, wooden pallets, or even discarded ladders can be reimagined as creative plant supports. These one-of-a-kind trellises not only reduce waste, but also tell a story, adding personality and history to your outdoor space. For handy enthusiasts with a flair for woodworking, building a pergola-style trellis can be an ambitious yet deeply satisfying undertaking. Pergolas are larger, more permanent structures that provide both vertical and overhead support for climbing plants. Constructed from sturdy beams and posts, a pergola can shade a seating area, define a walkway, or serve as a grand centerpiece in your landscape design. Choose rot-resistant wood like cedar or redwood for longevity, and consider adding decorative elements, such as carved brackets or finials, to give your pergola a custom touch. If your goal is to create a cozy nook or secluded retreat, combine several trellises to form an outdoor room. Arrange panels in a U or L shape, Cover them with climbing vines and add comfortable seating or a small table inside. This intimate space will quickly become your favorite spot for morning coffee, reading, or relaxing with friends and family. For those who enjoy growing their own food, trellises aren't just for flowers. Construct a sturdy A-frame or TP trellis for supporting heavy vegetable crops like cucumbers, squash, or pole beans. These designs are easy to assemble using bamboo poles, branches, or PVC pipe, and they make harvesting easier by keeping fruits and vegetables off the ground and within easy reach. Don't overlook the potential for portable trellises either. By building lightweight freestanding panels, you can move your trellis wherever it's needed, providing support for annual vines one season and acting as a privacy screen the next. This flexibility allows you to experiment with different plants and layouts, adapting your garden as your interests and needs evolve. Lighting can also play a role in your trellis design. Incorporate solar-powered string lights or lanterns to illuminate your structure at night, creating a magical atmosphere for evening gatherings. As your plants grow, the interplay of light and foliage will cast beautiful shadows, adding depth and drama to your garden after dark. In the end, the most exciting trellis ideas are those that reflect your personal style and ingenuity. Whether you favor classic elegance, rustic charm, or modern minimalism, there's a trellis project waiting to be brought to life by your hands. Gather your tools, sketch out your vision, and enjoy the process of creating a structure that will support and showcase the beauty of your garden for years to come. With each vine that climbs and flower that blooms, you'll be reminded of the creativity, skill, and passion you poured into your handiwork, a living testament to what's possible when imagination meets craftsmanship.